Hi Deirdre here, just going to show you how to use Canva. So I've just logged into Canva here and I'm just showing you the different templates that are available. So you click on templates up here and you can see all the different ones that are available to you. So for example, on social media, you've got Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube channel art, LinkedIn banners, and all of the personal stuffs, brochures, infographics, flyers, all sorts of bits and pieces that might be useful to you. So I'm just going to look specifically here at these ones here. So let's take a look at doing a Facebook post to start off with. So I'm going to click on Facebook posts. I'll wait a few seconds. Okay, and then when I scroll down, I can see all of these are possible sort of layouts that I can use. Now, never worry about the photographs that are in it. You can easily change different ones that are here. Now, make sure you don't choose any here that have a pound sign against them. Otherwise, you'll get charged for them. So you can see this one here is free. So I could change the blueberries and put in mountains in there, for example, and change the different ones here. So again, avoiding all of those ones that are paid and maybe choosing ones that are free. Okay, and then you can go with those. So again, just to make sure it's one that's free, I think maybe I'll go with these blueberries. So I'll click on this one here and I'll change everything when I get in. So I'm going to click on this one here. Okay, that's all fine, that's looking grand, and then I'm going to say use this template and wait a few seconds. Okay, so this is the template that's there. I can easily change any of the text by just clicking in on the text and putting in my own text and say, for example, wedding fair. And put in all of the other bits and pieces that you might want to put in. And to change any of the text, for example, I can change the text here, and then this is the text color, and I could, for example, change it to a different color, maybe going in with the themes that you've already chosen. And so, you can just make some changes. Again, often these have been designed by designers. So, don't make too many changes because then you're sort of undoing all the good work that the designer has done. And so the next thing I'm going to take a look at doing is changing the background image. So at the moment it's blueberries, which isn't really very relevant. So for example, I could take a look at photographs and I could type in wedding and press enter. Okay, and some of these that are free here, you may already have photographs that you can use. So for example, again, I'm avoiding all those ones with the crown because that's showing me I have to pay for those. There's a free one there. I could use that one. Oh, that's free as well. So I could just maybe click on that one. Sorry, don't click. I meant click and drag. So I'll just, okay, there's an intentional mistake. So I'll just hit the undo button. So what I do is I click and I drag it across and you'll see it pops in. Okay, and when it's popped in, okay, you're thinking, yeah, but I've cut off her head. I want to actually get the head in. Double click in again, and now I can kind of move it about. Okay, and then click away, and you can see, right, that's the sort of wedding image, and you could decide, right, I think I'll go with that one, or you could look again for a different one that might be more appropriate for you. So you think, well, maybe do I want to go coloured? And for example, I could click and drag this one in. Okay, and click. Sometimes you wait a few seconds until it pops in. Okay, and then you can sort of change different bits and pieces, and you could put on some filters, for example, and you could make it grayscale if you wanted, or make it, sort of slightly more old-fashioned looking, and you can adjust it, and there's all sorts of effects that you can put in here as well. Okay, there's all sorts of other ones, and you can play about with these ones here, and you can adjust it as well, and the saturation and etc. So you can really just sort of mess about with it and make sure that you're happy with it. And so then when you're ready to go, you can either download it over here, okay, and hit download. Okay, you can do it in PNG or JPEG. Depending on what you want and the quality that you want. The other thing you can do is you can publish, if you've connected it to Facebook, you could publish directly to Facebook from here if you've connected your account.